guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join CapCut Pro on your PC app. So this actually just came to me like without me updating or installing anything. I just like had to wait a few days. My coworkers like got it earlier than me. That's why I seen it in their videos but not on like my app. Sorry, I've seen it on their app but not on my app. So I guess you just have to wait for it. But if you already have this button, you're just going to select Join Pro and you're going to select the plan. So you'll have this one. I honestly don't. Okay, so this one is like you pay this per month. This if you like want to just try it for 1 month, and this is how much it costs if you want it to if you want to use it for a year. So just select purchase and then just select the payment and stuff. Or if you're already on a project, you are just going to go to Join Pro up here. I might try to unlock it so that I can show you some pro features. But I might just try it for a year. I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!